Want to charge your phone but you're scared of the dark? And maybe this foldable magnetic 3-in-1 wireless charger is just what you need. Hey everyone, Mark from the Spark here. Welcome back to another video. I've been sent this foldable magnetic 3-in-1 wireless charger from a company called Cabletime. Let's quickly unbox it and have a look. This is very similar to a number of bedside table chargers or desk chargers that I have reviewed on the channel. But this one has a unique selling point, shall we say. So what do we get in the box? We obviously get the magnetic charging stand there, and then we get a USB-C to USB-A. Just companies, please just do USB-C to USB-C. Anyway, there we go. That's how you plug it in. We're gonna have to do that in a sec anyway, aren't we? Let's have a look. It looks very solid. Made of metal. USB-C connection there at the back, and then just folds up like this, so you can put your phone on there, you can put your AirPods on there, and that pops out to put your Apple Watch on as well. This is plastic, just the base is metal. Yeah. So this supports max 15 watt charging on your phone if your phone supports that, then 5 watts charging on your AirPods and 2.5 watts charging on your Apple Watch. On the charging stand that I've got upstairs, I just use that to plonk my phone on at night and my watch, and it's charged and lasts me all day. So it's not an issue whether it charges quickly or not, just the fact whether it charges effectively and safely, which is important for me. And obviously if it's situated on your desk, if you're lucky enough to have one, I have to utilize the kitchen table here, but if you have a desk which is permanently set up, you just have this on there, don't you? And you plonk it there and you put your phone on and away you go. It's going to be fully charged and staring at you all day. However, this thing, like I say, has got a unique selling point in that it has a light around the base, which means if you want to get up at the night, you should be able to tap this, the little light comes on, and be able to have a fiddle around on your bedside table and get whatever it is that you were looking for, or maybe you just need to nip to the loo, I don't know. But I tell you what, let's take this upstairs. I'll close the curtains, plug it in, and we'll see how bright the light is. Okay, so here we've got it plugged in now. I usually use this thing here. I've had it for years, done the job. But this is the Cabletime 3-in-1 magnetic charger. There we go. Does that, and just do that. Standby mode comes on. You can pop your earbuds in the bottom there. And they come on quite happily. However, the USP of this is, let's turn the lights off. It's got a light on the bottom, so it gives you just enough illumination. It's more of an orange glow. It didn't show it too well up on the camera here. So I'll show you this with the light on the little icon there. And there we are. See if I can find it in the dark. There we go. Okay. So it just gives you enough light to maybe grab your phone or turn your bigger lamp on or something like that if you need to. Okay, I'm back. Right, well, there's not much more to say about it really. It looks nice, got a good design, does the job, and you've got that nice USB of the light should you ever need it. Over voltage protection, everything you would expect from a well-made device. There you go. So if I've got an affiliate link for this, I'll pop that in the description box below. I'll also put it on the screen here if I have it. If you fancy supporting the channel in any other way other than the affiliate link, please do consider becoming a member. There's a button at the bottom of this video just for that, or you could scan this QR code here or visit the link in the description, go buy me a virtual coffee. Okay, YouTube thinks that you might like this video. Why don't you go check that out, and I'll see you in the next one.